Upgrade your driving experience with the Grant Steering Wheel Installation Kit, designed to make installing Classic Series, Challenger Series, or Signature Series steering wheels straightforward and reliable. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential components needed for a secure and professional installation, including a die-cast hub, Grade 5 hardware, and matte black trim pieces that offer a sleek, finished look. Complete step-by-step instructions are provided to guide you through the process, ensuring a precise fit for your vehicle's steering column. Please note, this kit is not intended for use on any airbag-equipped vehicles. The high-quality materials and hardware guarantee durability and long-lasting performance, making it a trusted choice for enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle's interior with a custom steering wheel. Perfectly compatible with classic cars and aftermarket Grant steering wheels, this installation kit helps you achieve a clean and secure installation without compromising safety or style. Click the link in the video description to check availability and pricing, and subscribe to the channel for more expert automotive installation tips and high-quality vehicle accessories.